Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? It's 9 o'clock here today. Just today, though. Oh, gosh. It is 9 o'clock. I'm getting ready to fix breakfast, and then today's a very exciting day. We are starting on the garden. Well, I ordered some starts from a local gardening farm here, and we're gonna go pick those up this afternoon, run some errands, and do our first planting of the season. It is so exciting. We're gonna be honest here. I've never gardened before. I have a couple plants in my house. Okay, need to water my aloe plant. Oh man, need to water those plants too. I got these. I got this beautiful tree. And I got some plants outside that are dying. So I've never gardened before. I don't necessarily have a green thumb. I've tried to, have a couple of plants, but it just doesn't work. But it's gonna work because we need a garden, because we're gonna be a farm and we're gonna be self-sufficient, and it's gonna be great. So, yeah, come with me while I water some plants. Okay? Okay. Right. All spring long, we pretty much burn. Since we moved here, we've been clearing out a lot of trees, and so with a lot of trees comes, oh, I want to look at these pumpkin spice cookies and see what I need, because we're gonna have a barbecue tonight, and I've been in this like homemaker mood lately. I'm gonna make some pancakes, Birch Bender paleo pancakes. They're amazing. All you do is add water. So that's what we're gonna do. I feel like this Jurassic Park shirt just really helps get the idea across that I want to start a homestead. One thing to help us being more sustainable is I'm no longer buying like bottles of hand wash. I'm buying big jugs, and then there is actually, we are so lucky where I live, there is a refill store that carries cleaners, laundry detergent, all that jazz, and then like clean sprays, and I've been just saving my bigger bottles and filling up all my smaller bottles. And I just like to do this about once a week, where I go through and I fill up all of my bottles, and then I wash off the outside because they get sticky. You know what? I'm gonna put this one in my... Okay guys, so it is an early, not really that early, it's almost 9 morning. We're gonna go plant some seeds that we have, and I think we're also gonna plant our blueberry tree before work. So today is May 4th. I don't know when you guys are gonna be watching this, honestly. I'm getting ready to do work online. Now it's the week, so all the gardening and fun outdoor activities kind of cease. Thankfully though, it is summer, and so we can go out after work. With my bum knee lately, my leg gets like super tired. I feel like an old lady. My leg gets super sore in the afternoon. But basically I just try to get my work done as soon as possible. I do have meetings that I can't, work around, and then try to get something done on the farm or the homestead. Then I try to get something done on the homestead. And yeah, so I'm sitting down with my planner. This is what I do every single day. I sit down and plan out my life.